Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin cleaning your Dyson DC37, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment. Start by unplugging the vacuum to ensure safety during the cleaning process. First, remove the canister by pressing the release button. Empty the contents into a trash bag. For a thorough clean, rinse the canister under warm water. Avoid using any detergents, as they can damage the components. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching. Next, focus on the filter. Locate the filter at the top of the canister. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear. Squeeze out excess water gently and let it air dry for at least 24 hours. Remember, a clean filter is crucial for maintaining suction power. While the filter is drying, inspect the brush bar. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the brush bar cover. Carefully lift the cover and remove any hair or debris wrapped around the brush. This step is essential for ensuring your vacuum operates efficiently. If you find it challenging to clean, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation to assess any underlying issues. After cleaning the brush bar, check the hose for blockages. Detach the hose from the vacuum and use a flashlight to inspect it. If you notice any clogs, use a long object, like a broom handle, to gently push the blockage through. If you prefer, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, let's clean the exterior of the vacuum. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the body, paying special attention to the wheels and the base. This not only keeps your vacuum looking new, but also prevents dirt from entering the internal components. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your vacuum. Start by placing the filter back in its compartment and twisting it to secure it. Next, reattach the brush bar cover and tighten the screws. Finally, reinsert the canister until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Before you start using your vacuum again, check the power cord for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's best to consult a professional. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, regular cleaning of your Dyson DC37 vacuum cleaner is essential for maintaining its performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your vacuum remains in top condition. If you don't have the tools or time to perform this maintenance, remember we offer no calls, no travel services to make it easier for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.